Welcome guys to another video. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make money with CPA marketing. Okay, because this is a new CPA marketing platform I just discovered, and a new traffic method I just discovered that I just started testing, and I've testing conversion immediately. Okay, so I will show you guys how to make result like this. Okay, so if you are actually interested in this, kindly smash that subscribe button, the red subscribe button, okay, at the right hand side of your phone. Just smash it, it's free. Just smash it to appreciate my effort, okay. And also try to comment down below, yes, I'm interested, so people who are also interested in CPA marketing will be able to discover this video. So come over to your Google search and search for this CPA platform called Traffic Ventures. Okay, it's a new CPA platform. It's not new, but I just discovered it. Okay, when you have mass wanting, mass wanting is the best. Okay, but there's no trick in getting approval. You just have to go straight to it, but that's not what we are interested in today. So tap on sign up. When you sign up, so ask for your email, phone number, name, and little question regarding your experience in CPA marketing. Try to register like someone that have experience regarding CPA marketing. And lastly, register from your country. Okay, accept all country, and the minimum payout there is, oh, minimum payout I think is $50 or 100, one of the two, but the payout method is paper and I think wire transfer. But paper is available because paper, everybody can use paper. Even though it's registered in your country, there's a method you which can use paper and can withdraw to your bank. Okay, so that's all done. When you have registered on the account, okay, I want you to guys to check out this offer. This offer I'm promoting here. Okay, go over to offers, all offers, tap on it. Then I want to filter it because there's tons of offer here, but I'm not interested in anyhow offer. You can create, you can promote sweepstake offer if you're interested, but I noticed a lot of people on sweepstake offers, and it's not easy to convert because of the surveys. Some people might actually not fill out the survey to the end and you won't get paid. So this is the offer here. Okay, odd foreclosures, that's the name of the offer. Okay, you can just go and jot it down or screenshot, anyone. Okay, this offer is just like house offer, like people down to rent house or buy house. Okay, it's kind of offers, and it's only available for people in United States. I can see category is financial, so you can also choose other offers available in the financial category. Okay, it's not a must you follow this offer. So come over to Bitly, shorten your link. Just try to create a Bitly account, a free account, shorten your link. Then when you are done, try to create a landing page, because landing page is actually important. You should not even try, it's a must. So try to create a landing page. Okay, so this is the landing page I created. I use ucraft.com. Ucraft is actually a paid landing page provider, but they offer free also. Okay, so I'm actually using a free landing page provider because your landing page will only be able to last for 14 days. So what I do is that on the 13th day I delete it and I create a new one, so the new one will also last for 14 days. So that I used to do to actually save some money. You can see the simple landing page. Must be a US resident to view houses. So just when you tap on view house now, it will be, they'll get directed to the offer. Okay, so if you need this link, like for you also to create yours, you can just come over to viewhousesnow.ucraft the site. Okay, and if you can't memorize this, just comment down below and ask for the link, and I'll actually reply you with the link. Okay, so once you have created a landing page, you can also use Google Sites to create a landing page, but note that we are using Facebook as our traffic method. because you can see out of 213 click I got 173 from United States, to show that this traffic source from Facebook is a unique one, not the regular one that you just be going to any groups. Okay, you can see 128 of the clicks came from Facebook. Okay, so once you have created your landing page, you have shorten it using Bitly, you can come over to Facebook here, because this is the traffic source we'll be using. Then search for groups like, okay, let me see, okay, search for groups like Texas GS Garage Sale. Okay, oh sorry, let me just show you this. I've actually copied the text down already, what we're posting. Okay, so this is the hard copy we're posting on the groups. I've not shown you guys the group yet. Okay, so if you need this hard copy, just comment down below, I'll paste you the hard copy. Just look at it. Available ASAP, rent $650 per month, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom. Okay, just listed some kind of thing that will motivate them to say wow, they're interested in renting. So once I go here, click this link if interested. So when they click on this link, they will be directed to my landing page, and from my landing page, it's very simple, and just tap on view houses now. They will be directed to the offer, and I think the offer, they will have to enter their zip code. From the zip code, they enter their name and their email, and when they click submit, I'll get 4.84 dollars immediately, and this is very simple. Okay, and also when you are posting, try to add some images, house images, but simple houses. Like I won't advise you to add some look like a big house, but simple houses can get them online. Okay, so this is the post here. So the groups you go over to is Texas GS Garage. Okay, join groups like this with at least 1000 posts a day, or 500. Okay, you can see 2000 posts, 1.5, 1.1. Okay, join a lot of them. Go over to the group section, you see a lot of groups there, this section. But note, some groups might like to ask for um like if you want to join some group, ask one question, they ask you, are you in the United States? Say yes. Okay, and actually in this method you actually need like up to 5 to 10 Facebook accounts, because this method sometimes your Facebook account might get disabled. Sorry. So what you have to do here is have to edit your profile, like your hometown you can change it to United States and let it visible to the public. Then your current home, leave it as your current country, and ID that only you can see it, because if you start changing, Facebook will notice they are changing address and might actually disable your account. Okay, just do that method, because some of them might want to check your profile and check whether you're a scam or not. Once they see you're United States, okay, cool, that's nice. Okay, you see a lot of groups here, and also you can come here. Texas is a city in United States. Okay, so you can enter other cities like California. Okay, but I would advise you don't use your main Facebook account to do this, so that you won't lose it. You can create accounts or buy accounts from friend, or if your friend can give you one. Okay, you can see a lot of groups here. There are many. Okay, you can also even check for like Texas house. Let me see, let me tap for house rent. You see, let me groups. Sorry, sorry for that. Okay, groups. So you see a lot of groups there. Okay, so note, when you're posting on these groups, some of them might like your post might go for approval process, like it won't be shown on the group immediately. So take note of those groups. Those groups are not important, because they will actually not approve your post because you are pasting link there, because most groups don't like people promoting their own stuff. Okay, so your first day, second day, third day, you have to discover those groups that usually that like approving posts first. Okay, because there are a lot of groups that when you post they want to just be live immediately. That's the kind of group we want. And also post only 5 times, like 5 times a day on each account, like on 5 groups, then on the other account 5 groups. You can post the same thing. Okay, but if you want to edit the ad text, you can edit, it's your choice, but it's not necessary. So 5 posts on one account, and if I say you should post on 5 to 7 accounts daily, okay, that will make it like 25 to 35 posts daily. And from there people will be able to see your post and start clicking on it, and from that click you're able to get conversion, and from conversion you are making your money already. Okay, this is not a simple thing to do. Okay, because sometimes you might get frustrated when you not get clicks. Just try to change your ad text, and also try to monitor your post whether it doesn't get taken down by Facebook, because some of the time Facebook usually take down posts because of one or two issue, because of your link. Most times see your link go against their policy. And sometimes don't try to remove anything like prices from the post, because Facebook don't like you selling something except you sell it on their marketplace. Okay, you can see marketplace. Okay, so that's all for this video. Okay, if you actually gain one or two things from this video, kindly hit that like button. I really appreciate that. And also comment down below, comment your country where you're from, so I can keep posting content available in your country. And also please kindly share this video to your friends, so them too they can also benefit from this valuable content. Okay, so try this out, and I'll be waiting for your feedback. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.